Here's a hybrid amplifier I've made from scrap laying around. Got an old transformer here for the power. Got a shield plate over that to limit the EMI from it. Here are the two input tubes. These are UCH4 tubes. They are nearly 70 years old. They're from the 40s sometime. We've got the anode caps here. The anode power supply caps. They're roughly 200 volts anode. Input here, output there. And that's the main feed for the filament and the silicon-based power supply, or power supply amplifier. It's the power amp. This came out of an old Gold Star receiver, and then I took the original heatsink off of it, and then I replaced all the caps and transistors, and I put a 2N3055 output stage on it with really hugely overkill heatsinks. This gives roughly 15 watts per channel out. There's the power input. So yeah, you can place them here. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the Hunko Junk hybrid amplifier. Thanks for watching.